Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening everyone. I am from group number 3 and today I'm going to present our group task. So first in this group we have Nur Atirah binti Mahdi, Nur Emilia Balkis binti Muhammad Roslan and me Ahmad Radin Rajauddin bin Suhaimi. We have choose the artwork Pemandangan dengan Gajah by Muhammad Yusuf Ismail. So basically, Muhammad Yusuf Ismail, or known as Yusuf Gajah, born at Johor, Negeri Sembilan on 10 February 1954. He was a painter of knife art who made the major element of the elephants. The title of Yusuf Gajah originates from there. When he was 6 years old, he started attracted in painting. In this field, early exposure was gained since it landed between 1695 and 1699 in Singapore. He studied in the Indonesian School of Art, Yogyakarta, as a fine art student in 1972 until 1974. First of all, we go to the description. The definition of the description is the composing of or reflecting process, a basic explanation or process description or thing that show visually from the time of the production of the work of concept. As you can see from the artwork, there are many flora and fauna, such as many species of flowers and trees, elephants, fish and crabs, and there are also man-made, which is kites, poles, light bulbs, waves, and others. This work used scenes of human characters who raise their hands as if to communicate something and human characters that show the care of a mother to her kid. There are also animal figures symbolizing the atmosphere of forest life, showing the different species such as electrical creatures, crocodiles, monkeys, birds, and so on, which reflect all human and animal figures together and need each other. The color chosen are warm tones like red, yellow, and a little gold. The style of the work is the drawing of children. Next, we go to the analysis. It explains how an item is arranged in accordance by its value, such as the form, color, outline, and composition in general. Based on the artwork, uh, there are harmony, just like kites, leaves, flowers, fish, and like lamps. These are repeatedly used in yellow. Um, and then we have arranged a variety of colors on the three images, the black, white, and pink colors of the elephants. And we have balance. The balance of colors is quite obvious. Cool blue and green tones are matched for hot colors such as yellow, orange, and red. This work used unmatched art like the outlines of the topic, lines on human and animal form, lines that may see on human figures that wavy lines and curved lines. In these artworks, braid seems to be utilized. The appearance of animals and human characters in this work produce a natural look. The figure of elephants creatures may be noticed in warm colors. On the elephant figures, chromium can be observed as well. There are similarities in each image, and the elephant forms in a harmonious design idea. This artwork is asymmetrically balanced and the attraction rate is not accurate overall. In this artwork, the domination concerns the people and elephants. The work also shows that the usage for work such as human and elephants figures at the most basic components of our image. Artwork like this reveal much harmony on the earth face between life and creatures. And then we go to the interpretation. The definition of the interpretation is clarify the problem in the understanding process by exposing with proper language every details of the interpretation process. The meaning the meaning of the interaction between flora and wildlife is ecology. The work Pemandangan dengan Gajah, produced by Muhammad Yusuf Ismail or known as Yusuf Gajah, this depicts the life of animals and humans. Animals such as elephants, crocodiles, birds, and monkeys are also seen. This depicts the life of animals in a group that help each other. Although there are small animals and large animals in this show a very close relationship found in this work. In addition, there are human figures inserted in this work to show humans and animals need each other. This figure of a human being holding an elephant shows humans and animals need each other. Humans need to care for a preserve wildlife. Do not destroy their habitat because without this life, our life will be lived. There are also two human figures who are saying something to convey the audience. The purpose of this work is to show the love between animals and humans. And then the last one, we go to the judgment. Evaluation should be carried out in accordance with previous set criteria or benchmark to determine the value of the thing, as well as good, bad, effective, ineffective, and unsuccessful. The work reflects the idea of children successfully and presents a joyful and pleasant environment of flora and fauna interaction. The effectiveness of the work as a tool in the context gives a clear impression that has been displayed through the work of Yusuf Gajah Thimler. The public can accept and understand the meaning of the work clearly to be conveyed by the artist. This work is very successful in conveying a platform to society about the necessities of life and cooperation between humans and animals. The dependence of the necessities of life between humans and animals need to be well maintained. That's all from us. Thank you.